Hello, it's how to not to. So this is going to be showing you how to select the iron option on the Samsung wash machine on the cotton cycle. So on the cotton cycle you can select the iron option as well as many other options. Yeah, 60 degrees, 2 rinses at 1400 RPM. I think that's about it for this one. Can select other options, but it's going to take quite a long time to do all those options there. If you want to iron, easy iron, that's the option to choose there, and that's going to reduce creases in your laundry by setting that. And it's now going to take 1 hour 31 minutes to do. Oh, but it has reduced the spin speed to 800, and that's not going to allow me to increase. We can do it that spin speed, no problem. We shall begin because my battery's running low, so I'm going to have to charge my battery and I'll be right back. So I'm going to add a bit of Lenore, and these are fragrant beads that you can use in your washing machine. All you have to do is add a few at the bottom of the drum to add fragrance to your laundry. Optional, of course, but it does give a nice smell. And to that I'm going to add detergent. And that's going in directly in the drum as well. And I'm just going to add the rest of the laundry. So let's press play to begin.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, so what does that mean? Oh, look at that. That's why it didn't finish the tune off. Because it's now flashing. And what does that mean? When it starts to flash like that. That means it needs a drum clean. And yeah, I suppose I'll be doing that in my next video. So first of all, let's take the clothes out the wash machine, the laundry, and let's see if the iron cycle, which is that one there, has managed to reduce the creases in the laundry.